Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I have been missing for a long time. If you're new to my channel or like just now seeing one of my videos, welcome. If you've been here for a minute and been waiting for me to post a video, I'm so sorry. So this video today is kind of like a nude bright orange mix up. I did it with a little nude lip. I love a nude lip matte all the time. I might throw some gloss on later. But if you want to see how I made this look, then just keep on watching. Thank you guys. So I've already done my brows and I've already primed my eyes with some concealer. Now I'm just going to moisturize my face with my normal moisturizer and then spray some Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. So I'm going to take my Morphe Fierce by Nature palette and use these two shades as my transition. I'm going to put that in my crease and my outer lid. Now I'm just going to buff it out with a lighter shade in my brow bone. Now I'm going to use the shade Morocco from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette and put that in the outer corners of my lid and flare it out. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the P. Louise base, and this is going to be the shade 3. My creases are all cut, and I'm going to use the color Zazz from the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. So now I'm going to go back into the Fierce of Nature palette and use the two brightest oranges, and I'm going to blend out Zazz with those by packing it in my outer lid. So I went back in with Morocco just to blend out that neon orange because it is really pigmented. Now I'm going to use the shade Soleil from the Jackie Aina palette to highlight my brow bone. So now I'm going to take some regular liquid black eyeliner and make a really dramatic wing. So this is just how I like my eyeliner, especially with a look like this. It's really bold, but you don't have to put a winged eyeliner even if you don't want to. Okay. So now that we killed the eyeliner, I'm going to move on to my foundation. For foundation, I use about 3 different foundations. In this combo, I use the Fenty Beauty, the Morphe foundation, and also the Maybelline Superstay, the 24-hour foundation. So I would say just go ahead and use your normal foundation and apply it with a beauty blender. Now I'm using one of the liquid concealers from Morphe, and I'm just going to use this darker shade to contour the areas I want to look slimmer. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm going to put this in the areas that I want to highlight. So for setting powder, I use two different ones. I use the Beauty Bakery translucent setting powder and the Juvia's Place Kalahari setting powder. So I'm going to put the Beauty Bakery one underneath my eyes, around my nose, and then I'm going to use the Juvia's Place powder to do down my nose, on my chin, and on the top of my forehead. I also decided to do underneath my contour on my cheeks to kind of give it a more snatched effect, but I don't leave this powder on long. I just went ahead and wiped it straight off just because I'm not a baker. I like to just set and go. Now to bronze, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer, and I really like this bronzer. You can build it up as much as you want to, but it doesn't get muddy. Now for blush, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Cocktail Party, and I use the two shades on the left hand side, and I love blush, so I'm going to go a little ham on this. Go back. Now that my eyeliner has kind of faded away from the foundation and the powder, I'm just going to go back in and redefine. And we're gonna, break down one time for the one time while the lashes dry, and then I'm gonna pop those babies right on. So to highlight, I'm going to be using a Juvia's Place loose highlighter and an ABH palette. I thought I was gonna spray this Morphe spray and it be like, I guess, moist, and it wasn't, so I went ahead and used the rose water spray, and then before I actually applied my highlight, I went ahead and defined my brows with the ABH brow gel. So for lips, I'm going to be using the KKW lip liner in Nude 3, and then I'm going to use a Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Exposed. So I'm going to do one last final spray, and that will be the final look, you guys. All right, that was the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you can follow along and do this look. If you do this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram and Twitter at Cake Mills. If you have my Snapchat, then, you know, go ahead and swipe up and send me your pictures. I will be putting my social media handles in the description. Go ahead and like and subscribe the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. So thanks for watching.